Hi! In today's video, we will learn how to use our API to access a credential using OAuth 2.0. Please know that you must have created your application and granted the right API authorizations before following the steps in this tutorial. If you don't know how to do these, please watch our previous videos in our senhasegura Shorts YouTube playlist. To get started, go to A2A and go to Applications. This is the application I have created, and then I can click the View button to find the access keys. Great! The key has already been added to the client ID that I'll use for my requests, and now I can go to Postman. Here, I can follow the same steps we would normally use in an OAuth 1.0 flow. There are only a few minor differences, but it's still the HTTPS protocol followed by senhasegura's DNS server /ISO/PAM/credential/the credential or web server ID number. The type obviously should say OAuth 2.0, but now let's see how the configurations change when compared to OAuth 1.0. When using OAuth 2.0, we only need 2 tokens, not 4. These 2 tokens, client ID and client secret, are found on senhasegura on that pop-up screen I showed you a few minutes ago. Combined, they are used to request the access token. Remember that access tokens expire after a certain time. Back here, your grant type should always say client credential, and the access token URL refers to where you can obtain an access token based on the 2 fields below. In our case, this will always be our URL HTTPS protocol followed by senhasegura's IP address /ISO/OAuth2/token. Finally, select Send as Basic Auth Header as your client authentication. Now, let's click to get the access token. senhasegura will run an automatic integration to get an authentication token, and here we have the newly generated access token that expires in 3600 seconds. Click to use the token. Now my access token field has been automatically populated, and I can finally hit the Send button to get my credential. And here at the bottom, I find the credential information. This is it for today, and thank you for watching.